Hi, my name is Juuso Leinonen, Senior Project Engineer at ECRI Institute. ECRI Institute recently hosted a webinar titled Integrating the Next Generation of IV Infusion Pumps. Interest in infusion pump integration is exploding among our member facilities. Many have already started implementing this technology, and the questions are getting more and more interesting. I'd like to recap some of the major topics of this webinar and answer some of the questions posed by our audience.
What is infusion pump integration?
Our webinar addresses this question in detail, but here is the general definition. Infusion pump integration refers to the creation of an electronic connection between an infusion pump and an electronic medical record system. This allows a clinician to use a barcode scanner to scan and associate a pump, patient, and medication order. After association, the clinician can ensure safe medication administration through auto-programming or sending the medication order directly to the pump for the clinician to review and start infusion. The clinician also gets timely and accurate documentation of infusion data to the EMR through auto-documentation or sending administration data from the pump back to the patient's records. These core infusion pump integration features, auto-programming, and auto-documentation are currently available from most infusion pump vendors.
What do you do during EMR or network downtime?
EMR or network downtime can directly impact pump integration and the patient safety and workflow benefits it provides. If the pump can't reach the EMR or network, it can't receive orders or send administration information. However, infusion pump operation itself is not reliant on the EMR connection. The pumps can still fully operate as a self-contained device with traditional safety features such as the dose error reduction system during any EMR or network downtime. It is important to note that during downtime, manual infusion documentation and manual infusion pump programming will probably be required.
What happens to the common sense nursing practices after pump integration?
A clinician will always be in full control of the infusion device operation, even with pump integration. Pump integration won't change the need for nurses to use their common sense and clinical practice expertise in order to deliver safe infusion therapy to their patients. While infusion pump integration automates some tasks involved with infusion therapy in order to add safety and workflow efficiencies, nursing staff should still be well-versed on the use of the infusion device to ensure safe medication delivery. Even with pump integration, nurses must still perform common infusion best practices such as tracing the infusion lines, checking the drip chamber, verifying correct pump programming, and validating infusion data in the patient's file. These were some of the questions that seemed to be of most interest to our listeners. If you have other questions, you can contact me directly. My contact information is provided at the end of this video, as well as the link to learn more about health devices. Thank you for your interest.